$200,000. That's what some people are paying for an SUV in 2026. But here's the thing, they're not crazy. These machines have massage seats that feel better than your chiropractor, sound systems, and enough tech to make a Tesla owner jealous. I've spent the last 3 months behind the wheel of the most expensive, most luxurious SUVs money can buy. And today, I'm breaking down the 6 absolute best that define automotive excellence in 2026. Whether you're actually in the market for one of these beasts, or you just love drooling over automotive perfection like I do, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Vehicle number 6, BMW X7 M60i. Kicking off our list at number 6, we have the BMW X7 M60i. And before the BMW fanboys come for me in the comments for putting this at number 6, hear me out. The X7 M60i is what happens when BMW asks, what if we took everything great about our M cars and stuffed it into a 3-row luxury tank? The result? A 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 523 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 523 horses in a family SUV. But here's where it gets interesting. This thing will sprint from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. That's supercar territory, except you've got 6 of your friends with you, and everyone's sitting in quilted merino leather. The 2025 model gets BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, which honestly might be the most intuitive infotainment I've tested this year. The curved display is gorgeous, and unlike some competitors, you're not buried in menus just trying to change the temperature. Where it loses points? The third row is tight for adults, and at around $110,000 to start, you're paying a premium for that ultimate driving machine badge. But if you want an SUV that still feels like a BMW, with that perfect steering feel and athletic handling, this is your pick. Vehicle number 5, Mercedes-Benz GLS 580. Moving up to number 5, we have the Mercedes-Benz GLS 580, the S-Class of SUVs. And that's not just marketing speak. Mercedes has been in the luxury SUV game for decades, and the GLS is where they show everyone else how it's done. This thing is like driving your living room. If your living room had a 483 horsepower turbocharged inline-6 with EQ boost mild hybrid assist. But the real star here? The E-Active Body Control Suspension. This is the system that can literally bounce the vehicle to get it unstuck from sand or snow. More importantly for most buyers, it makes this massive SUV feel like it's floating on air. You barely feel bumps, dips, or imperfections. Your passengers in the back? They'll think you paved the road yourself. The 2025 GLS comes with Mercedes's MBUX Hyperscreen as an option. A 56-inch curved glass display that stretches across the entire dashboard. It's absolutely stunning and actually functional, not just flashy. Interior space is exceptional. The third row can actually fit adults comfortably, and with the available Executive Rear Seat Plus package, your rear passengers get heated, ventilated, and massaging seats with their own entertainment screens. Starting at around $85,000 and climbing past $120,000 when fully loaded, vehicle number 4, Range Rover Autobiography. At number 4, we have the vehicle that arguably started the luxury SUV revolution, the Range Rover Autobiography. Listen, I know Range Rover has had reliability issues in the past. The jokes write themselves. But the 2025 model is built on the MLA Flex platform, and early reports suggest Land Rover might have finally figured it out. Time will tell. Pop open the door, and you're greeted by semi-aniline leather everywhere. The craftsmanship is exceptional. Real wood veneers, knurled metal controls, and a cabin that feels more like a British luxury yacht than a vehicle. Under the hood, you've got options. The P530 gives you a 523 horsepower mild hybrid inline-6 that's both powerful and surprisingly efficient. The PV Pro infotainment isn't quite as flashy as German competitors, but it's clean, responsive, and gets the job done. And the Meridian signature sound system? Absolutely phenomenal. Starting around $120,000 and climbing north of $170,000 when fully loaded.